Apune bagay ano. Video guys pamuli informasi la condition.
Here's a look at Nassau, Bahamas. This storm is holding steady with winds of 125 miles per hour. It has intensified overnight, and we're going to continue to see this strengthen. So right now, it is a Category 3 as it makes its way through the northwestern part of the Bahamas. Outer rain bands are already starting to work their way into southern Florida. This is moving off to the northwest at 12 miles per hour. So our watches and warnings, they remain in place for not only the Florida coastline, but up through Georgia and the Carolinas. Category 4 hurricane is what we're expecting at landfall, and landfall will likely be along the Florida coastline early Friday morning. Winds of 145 miles per hour. From there, it will continue to hug the southeast coast before it turns off into the Atlantic and weakens into a Category 1 by late this weekend.